Even as the Nawaz Sharif government is absolutely silent and in denial mode over the charges that they are facing on terrorism. And, even yesterday, NIA came out with a massive press conference, live confession of terrorist Saifullah, also known as Bahadur Ali. Now, Times Now has exclusively accessed this 5-page document. It's an internal 5-page document of the Tehreek-e-Taliban, which has been released yesterday in the evening. If I can ask my video journalist to pan and show you. Now, this is Ilyas Kashmiri, who has been mentioned in the very front page of the 6-page document, and it says why Mujahideen are doing jihad in Pakistan and they don't go and fight in Kashmir instead. In fact, in detail, this document clearly signifies how the Tehreek-e-Taliban has been actively sending mercenaries and armed terrorists to Kashmir Valley. This almost debunks the entire theory of Pakistan that this is an indigenous so-called struggle in the Kashmir Valley. There are of course terrorists which are being sent from Pakistan, be it from Hafiz Saeed's Lashkar-e-Toiba or the Jamaat-ud-Dawa or even Sayyid Salahuddin Hizbul Mujahideen. Now, interestingly, this 6-page document talks about Osama bin Laden, it talks about Harkatul Ansar and also Maulana Masood Azhar, who have been, dreaded terrorists in the past as well. But if I take you towards the last page of this particular document, the very last line says that time is near when we will again continue our battle in Kashmir. We will surely take revenge of our Kashmiri brothers from the Indian army. So clearly there is a threat yet again by Tehreek-e-Taliban sitting in Pakistan. And remember, Tehreek-e-Taliban has been known as proxies of Pakistan ISI for a very long time. Now they have come out in open through their Telegram channels and through their internal channels. They have released this 6-page document giving a profile of terrorist Ilyas Kashmiri, and again saying that they will continue with terrorism not just in Kashmir but also in Pakistan.